Yo, what's up guys? Coda Bear TV back at you again with another video. So today I'm gonna do a review on my pressure washer. I've had it now for probably about a month. I've used it for 8 to 10 hours at least. I've used it 4 or 5 times. Today I got a Predator pressure washer from Harbor Freight, 2500 psi, 2.4 GPM. 4 horsepower motor in it, so it's got about 116 or 160 cc's. So we're gonna be cleaning my four-wheeler off. It's not as muddy as normal, but so far for the price range, I really cannot complain about this pressure washer at all. I paid $250 for it. It's usually $300. They had it on sale. I don't know if it's on sale anymore. They had it on sale for $249.99. So it's not bad at all. It comes with a little tank right there for soap and everything else. It has a soap nozzle right here, and when you put the soap nozzle on, it dispenses soap, and you can obviously soap down all your stuff before you want to do anything. It has a 40 degree wide spray, then it has a 25 degree medium spray, and then what I use a lot is my 15% narrow spray. I never use the 0% because obviously I don't want to, you know, ruin my paint or anything else. I like the 15%. It runs, I think, between 22 and 2500 psi, so that's awesome. So my quad, like I said, it is kind of dirty. I'm gonna get some footage for you today. It is about to rain, I think, but I'm gonna get some footage for you today of how well it does work. It does perform great for a cheaper pressure washer. You know, I can't afford $300, $400, $500 pressure washers, and I'm sure you guys can't either. So we'll get back into it. I'm gonna start it up. It's really easy to start up. You have to put oil in it when you get it in fuel, obviously, but all you do down here, obviously flip the switch to start. You're gonna pull the choke pull the choke out, or push it in to start, I mean, and then once you push it in to start, you're gonna pull it over. Fires right up first try, and then you're gonna pull this back over to run. As simple as that. It's as simple as that. You're gonna push over to start, yank it over once, should fire right up, and then put it over to run, and then it runs great and strong. So I'm gonna get back to you guys with some clips of me washing the four-wheeler and show you how the pressure washer works. Obviously be a little more careful than I was. I got too close. Obviously it does like do a lot of PSI and everything. I actually just got it in the seat for a little bit too long. Got a little cut. I got a little too close, so be careful of that. Obviously it is pretty good with the PSI. lot of you guys may know, especially when you're running a 2500 psi pressure washer, when you get up underneath here, make sure you don't spray your radiator out with that 2500 psi. Make sure when you spray it out, you're spraying it out with a hose, or, you know, on one of the lowest settings. Don't get too close, because what you'll do is you actually bend your radiator fins, and if you bend your radiator fins, it will not be a good time, because unfortunately you will not, fins will close and won't let air in, and then you will overheat no matter what. You'll just driving down the road or whatever, you will overheat with it. So be careful with that. Don't use your high psi pressure washer for that. But like I said, it does a pretty good job. It's already cleaning up pretty nice. If I had soap to break down some of this mud that's been caked on for a week and a half, it would come off easier. It is going to come off a lot harder for me today. But like especially the seat and stuff, it does not. It is like, I went to a place where it's like clay, so it's gonna take a little while for me to get it off. But so that right there, that is the Predator 2500 psi from Harbor Freight. Like I said, I've had it now for a little over a month. I've used it 5 times probably. I've used it about 10 hours. It does pretty well on fuel. It does have a very tiny tank, so I think I get usually about an hour and a half out of a tank, so it's not bad at all. So, but for 250 bucks, I really cannot complain. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with all your friends, and then also don't forget to subscribe. I'm getting near 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys enjoy the content, you'll see four-wheeler, snowmobile, and I also have a couple other things that are going to be coming up. So thanks for watching, and as always, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.